You're interning, not interesting.
Hi everyone, we're the Engineering Expo Publicity Committee and we're creating a short series of crash courses to help you prepare for Expo in the fall. The first video today will be focusing on how you can make the most of your summer and get ahead.
One of the things you can start doing is updating your resume. If you add to it while you're working, whether that's on classes, a summer internship, or a job, it'll be fresh on your mind and help you remember what you did. And when you're creating or updating your resume, decide on what's important to you, because ultimately it's a story that you want to share. So you should include experiences that were meaningful to you and showcase your strengths. If you need help on formatting your resume, be sure to check out the ECAT website for tips and more information and templates. Another thing you want to do is remember to update your LinkedIn profile, or create one if you haven't already. Make sure you have on it what you're currently doing and that the information accurately portrays what you want people visiting your profile to see.
Now, moving on to what you can make most out of your summer. If you're interning, job shadowing, or working in the summer, be mindful of the skills you're learning and the projects you are working on. Be attentive, inquisitive, so that you can relay that concrete information back to your resume. If you are getting ahead this summer by taking classes or taking study abroad, that's awesome. Make sure you really focus on the material and be able to explain how it impacts you and what you're interested in. In the case of study abroad, be sure to think about what unique cultural insights you got.
Lastly, it's never too early to start researching employers. We will link last year's Expo employer list in the description box so you can go check it out. By starting your research early, you can look up employers and industries of interest. But you aren't just limited to the Expo list. You can just start a quick Google search and look through the company website to find more information about them. In our next video, we will cover researching employers more in depth, so be on the lookout for that.
So that's all we have for you today. All relevant links and information will be down below for you to reference. And one last thing, don't forget to take some time and really self-reflect and think about what you want to do and where you want to go. Use this time to connect with yourself and discover your interests. Anyways, thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video.